Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we're sharing a fun little project that was kind of spur of the moment, but turned out really cool. So stay tuned to check out our new little patio addition at the front of our house. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when our next video is live. We've got updates on the flip house as well as, you know, my random project ideas that I come up with one day and then we have them done a week later, which was pretty cool because I partnered with Walmart to share some of their cool patio stuff and I didn't have a great spot to feature it, and so I was like, I've been wanting to have seating. I've kind of missed my front porch from our last house, and so I thought we have this flower bed that's kind of, it was looking a little scraggly and useless. Like it just was old plants and they had gotten the stucco when they restuccoed our house all over these plants, so they looked pretty bad. And it just wasn't very functional in terms of being aesthetically pleasing or useful. And so I thought we could make it way more useful and use our extra, we had extra pavers type stone or flagstone that was what I used for our accent wall in the kitchen and the fireplace wall as well. It seemed like this would be an almost free project, or at least it had been previously paid for. We asked our guys that do our landscaping if they could rip out a couple of shrubs, and they said yes. They were able to do it the next morning, so it got my project off to a great start. The next day, they had made it pretty flat too. They leveled it out. They may have hit our rain gutter in the process, but it's fine. Get that fixed. You win some, you lose some. But on the bright side, we had this nice and flat and they were really fast. So the stone, Ben and I laid that and it actually went pretty quick. Was I think under an hour from that. So once the plants were out and it was kind of flat, we laid the stone and then filled it in just 1 hour's time, and I will show you. You guys are kind of seeing the footage of that. Pretty cool. And we of course are not professionals, and I don't claim to be on this, at least on laying flagstone. Not my area of expertise, but if you want to have something that's kind of organic looking and natural, which I didn't want that look, I didn't want it to be like perfect, then it is something you can probably do yourself. It is good to have like gravel down or kind of a rocky type soil, so that's gonna have kind of a firm base. And then we had, of course, just these random stones, so there is a little bit of variation. It's not perfectly level, but you can, you know, with more commitment, you can make it more level if you kind of keep checking the stones as you go with a level or whatnot. We did not do that. We just kind of placed them and were like, it'll be a little bit, you know, uneven, but we filled it, and I think it's great for what time it took and everything, and I think it looks cool and really was not a lot of cost. This is what we're using. Our real wheelbarrow, we realized, is in storage, and we don't want to stop working on this project, so kids' wheelbarrow it is. We used, it's called White Chat, the stuff that you fill it with. It's almost like when it gets wet, it's almost like a road base. Like it kind of compacts and works well. We had that left over from our patio we did in the back of the house. The landscapers actually did that one, and that's what made me think, hey, I could do that. Anyway, I'm gonna show you kind of these cool pieces we brought in here. I've loved this. It's so, like, we just got it finished and I like can't wait to just sit out here. We have some good shade in this space throughout the day with the direction the house faces. And so that's nice because we can enjoy it a lot of the day. And then in the evening, there's a little bit of sun, but of course the sun's going down, so it's just kind of for a short window of time. The one thing that's kind of fun about this project is that we have noticed, so Ben and I have our office like right in here, like Ben's desk is right in this little bump out window. And there's this lizard that lives under the roof tiles, but he comes down the wall and he goes under this little piece of concrete. And I don't know if lizards are, you know, gonna ruin stuff or they dig, I don't know what they do. But we think he's cute and we didn't want to take away his home. So when we did the patio, we left open his little entrance to his under driveway cave lair. And I am happy we did because we were worried that he was gonna leave when we took away like the shrubs that were here, but he didn't leave. We saw him yesterday and all is well. And he has both his rooftop home and his underground home. So I think he's happy with us for leaving that. This is so cool. This chair is from Walmart and I'm obsessed with it. It got lost in shipping and I wasn't sure if it ever was gonna come, which was just a fluke thing, but it showed up and I'm so excited about it. It's comfortable. And it comes with the cushion. I don't know why it's so fun. It's kind of like a swing and a hammock. My old egg chair, you remember my old egg chair? I loved it. We sold it with the house and I've been missing it. It has this super comfy cushion that just feels like it's hugging you. And I was impressed with the scale. Ben hasn't tried this out, but we need him to get in here and try it. We've had, you know, 2 kids in here and they both loved it and fit great. I feel like the quality is really good. It also comes with options where you can attach, if it's gonna be on grass, there's some little skewer type things.
Stakes.
Stakes, they're called stakes. Much like you might use when you're doing a tent or something, but they're like spiral stakes. And they're metal, and so they can go through this and attach it to the ground, which would make it even more secure. But I feel like the frame is really solid, and just the construction, this is kind of a resin type, more of a plastic rather than a natural rattan, which will weather, you know, do better in the weather. So this is, I think, a great purchase. They also have it in, I think that comes in a gray was the other option. And then this is more the natural, natural finish, of course. And I wanted to bring a little bit of that in because I have, of course, the black in the bench, which this bench, you guys, is like, I think it's like $89 or something. It's such a good deal. It's nice and sturdy. I added these cushions. They have these in store, and I love the black and white stripe. I just feel like it's really classic and timeless, and adds just a little bit of fun detail out here. These little poofs I also got, and I'm not sure, I can't remember if these are outdoor ones specifically. I need to look at that. But they are so cute, and I figured because this isn't gonna get a ton of rain and stuff, they'd probably be okay, but I'll double check on those. And then this table, this is an outdoor one. I love it. It's got really cute detail with the woven, and this comes in a natural as well. Of course, I wanted to kind of have a little contrast with the chair, so I went with the black on that. But it's a great price as well. There's some seriously cute patio stuff right now at Walmart, so don't miss it. These little lanterns are from Walmart as well, and they're so cute. They have that battery powered LED type candle that, you know, gives a little flickering ambiance, which is really cute. And I got these plants too. These are real. These were from the Walmart Garden Center, and they come in these little really cute planters, which I love. I felt like they look high-end. They're just a plastic one, but they have a great look to them, so you don't even have to replant them. You can just buy them and bring them home just like I did and stick them to frame your entry or patio, whatever. Really, really cute. A couple other really cute patio finds from Walmart. This is actually a basket planter, and it comes with a liner inside. So I thought that was adorable and went really well out here as well. Also, these pillows from Walmart are super cute and really inexpensive. They go with everything and have a little texture. They are like, I wanna say it was, well, I can't remember the price, but they're really a good deal. They go with everything, which I like because they're just that neutral, creamy white tone. So very cute. Definitely check out Walmart if you are looking to update your outdoor spaces because the prices are phenomenal. That's why whenever they ask me to partner with them, I'm always like, yes, because I love the deals they have, and they've just come out with so many cute things lately that it's fun to restyle spaces and build spaces just so you can style them. Pretty excited about this, having this. And my kids can, like, they ride their bikes out here, so now we have a place to hang out and watch them. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live, and we'll see you next time.